Oh my God, we have foreigners in the house.
Yeah! From Wharton
Oh my
University.
God.
They're from Wharton.
Alam mo,
Hello, sirs and ma'ams. Welcome to Showtime.
Oo,
We are so elated that you guys are here today.
Thank you for having us. It's been a blast.
How are you guys feeling?
We're feeling great. We're feeling great. A lot of welcome hospitality. We appreciate it. So it's been a good time.
Oh. We are very sorry. We won't be able to speak in English the whole day.
But Vong,
Yeah,
It's okay. We're
No,
learning.
I-
We're learning. My brother here, we're learning. So we appreciate you all.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Nice to see you.
taga-Wharton.
Parang naiiyak ka.
What?
Taga-Wharton School. Parang ito
Wharton?
Wharton.
Yeah,
Sa
Whart-
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I heard there are castles in Pennsylvania.
Yes.
Are there castles in Pennsylvania?
There are castles in Pennsylvania.
I told you the gossip is true.
Oh?
Oh, Pennsylvania. I went to Pennsylvania. Their number one product is
What?
pencils.
Mongol.
Mongol pencil is
Anong
from
number?
Pennsylvania.
1, 2, 3.
Number.
Love it.
Mongol pencil. Yes. Kaya ayaw pumunta ng mga may-ari ng pilot dyan.
Kalaban.
Okay, please enjoy the day with us.
Excited
Yeah.
sila sa Quiz V.
Yeah, if you don't understand the things that we're talking about, just look at the environment. If they laugh, you laugh too.
If they clap,
If they cry, you cry too, huh? Yeah, if they clap, you clap too. If they leave, you leave too. That means there's an emergency. Why everyone is... Welcome, enjoy, have fun.
Grabe yung reaction nila kay Shane kanina.
Yes.
Wow, gumaganon talaga sila lahat.
Nung may nakita kang foreigners, did that... Good luck, congratulations to you. I'm sorry because you know what, I'm an Englishera, baka lang ma-overwhelm kayo. Yeah, kasi I can, I can seem very intimidating at times.
Halata.
Yeah.
Ha? Can you translate, Raimundo?
Raimundo, we need your help.
Kamay-kamay lang, Raimundo. Ganun.
Tama.
Swipe ko lang.
Translate.
No.
Alam ko.